Hi and welcome to Kids Create. Today we're going to be making some unedible popsicle soap. For this soap, you will be needing clear soap or white, a knife, soap coloring and scents, a popsicle mold with a popsicle stick, a microwave-safe measuring cup, a spray bottle with rubbing alcohol in it. Let's get started. For this first step, you will need your soap, knife, a cutting tray, and your microwave measuring cup container. So we're going to cut the soap into little cubes. Might be a little hard. You can cut it with your knife. Yeah. So my mom helped me cut the soap with the knife, and now I'm going to put the soap into our container. Then I'm going to go microwave it for 30 seconds. Now let's go microwave it. My mom just melted this stuff. Now I'm going to put in my non-scented pink dye. I'm going to add a few drops just to make it look red. 3 drops, and then I'm going to stir with a popsicle stick. Into one of my molds. Go! And now I'm going to put some rubbing alcohol. Make sure all the air bubbles go away. Hey, this is a very good tip to do. Just repeat the same step for every step, just with different colors. Let each layer dry before you put the next layer, and we're just gonna keep doing that until we fill it to the top. Just got this out of the microwave, and now I'm going to add a scent and blue. And let's go. I just put my stick in. I'm putting it on the second layer just so this layer doesn't harden before. It's gonna be better if you put the stick in before the second layer dries. I am going to take the leftover soap from inside the container. Put them together to make a purple. Let's do that right now.
Put the red in there.
I'm going to put the pink or red into their container, and my mom's going to go melt it. And pour it into here before it melts. Pour into you. Yeah. Now, I just finished it. I'm going to spray a little bit of it on. Bring alcohol onto the base. Now we are going to sit and let this whole thing cool, and then we can get it out. So, here's my final product. It was a little hard getting it out though, so I just put it in the fridge for a little while and put it in hot water. That's what you should do to get it out if you have trouble and just to do it. My stick broke, so be very careful taking it out. We can't just use hot glue to fix it. But when it looks great, and I really like the colors I picked. You can use any kind of soap. I used clear because that's the only. And I'll link the stuff in the description down below on what you need to use. So bye, and remember to like and subscribe. Hope you like this video. I'm Nora, and bye.